Want to create a thumbnail like this using Chatgpt? You don't need Photoshop and you don't need to be a professional designer. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it step by step using just my phone. So let's create one together.
Guys, this is my phone home screen. So first of all, we're looking for ChatGPT. So this is my ChatGPT. So right now, we want to create a thumbnail. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to already, you know, that you've gotten your idea for your video. If you're posting on your social media like YouTube, you know, is aspiration is 16:9. If it's for Facebook Reels and TikTok Reels or even YouTube Short, it's 9:16. Okay. So now, first of all, you need to give ChatGPT the prompt we're going to use. So give ChatGPT the prompt you want to use. Okay. So now I want to create a thumbnail concerning my new video. There's a new video I'm trying to publish on YouTube, and I want to create a thumbnail for that video in advance. So I'm just going to give ChatGPT this prompt. I already have the prompt. I'll drop the prompt on the description below. So I'm going to press the prompt on my clipboard. So this is the prompt. Yep. Now this is the prompt. So now this is the prompt. Generate a thumbnail for the video title. Why is carrot good for the skin? Okay. Now I want to edit this prompt. This is a prompt for an old video. So I want to edit this prompt. So I'll just clean a video title. How to create a birthday flyer with ChatGPT. That's the prompt. Generate a thumbnail for a video title. How to create a birthday flyer using ChatGPT. Use the uploaded image with the character showing a surprise expression and pointing at the title. Maintain the facial realism locked at 100% with no modification. Make sure the photo quality is clean and 8K. Now I'm going to change this aspect ratio since I'm 16:9. So I'll change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Okay. So and now I need to upload my image, the image I want to use. I'll click on file. You can click on photo, but I have an image on my ChatGPT account already, so I'll just click on file because ChatGPT save every image you upload on the app. So I'll click on file. So I'll just wait for it to load. Okay, so now I want to use um this particular image, this one, and I click attach one item. Now what I'll do, I'll have to click on the send button, this blue arrow, and I'll click send. And then let's just wait for it to load to start creating the image. So it's creating the image. So wait for it to load. Just wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. Okay. Normally I would have post this video and then come back when ChatGPT has written it in, but I just want this video to keep playing so you guys see the process and how long it takes ChatGPT. Now, when you're given a prompt, you need to add your context. Now, as you can see, this plays where it has with the character showing a surprise expression. Whoa, ho ho ho! Have you seen it? This is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. As you can see, this is very clean. Look at the picture, very realistic. Look at the alignment. It looks like it was designed by a professional designer. As you can see, how to create a birthday flyer with ChatGPT. And it even has birthday, happy birthday, 25th Emmanuel, because that's my name, Emmanuel. So just click on save. Click on save for you to save. Good. Save. So this is how you can create a thumbnail for your video. If you want to change the aspect ratio, maybe you want it vertical, you can change it to 9:16. So this is how to create a thumbnail for your video title, both on your YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. So if this video is helpful and you find this very helpful for you, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, and also share this video to anyone you think this video will be useful to them. Thank you. See you next time.